Dead stock ties up cash and warehouse space long before it looks like a problem. Ask Sidekick to build the workflow from one plain language instruction. This Shopify Flow checks the catalog every week and surfaces products that are heavily stocked but have not sold in the last 30 days. The automation begins every Monday at 8 in the morning. A ShopifyQL step pulls product-level sales from the previous 30 days. A second step fetches the 100 most stocked products and filters for inventory above 100 units. Run code cross-references both datasets, keeping only products with high inventory and 0 recent sales. The workflow loops through the results and applies the slow mover tag to each product. It also sends the team a weekly summary with product names, stock levels, and the total count. Add the draft to the store and turn the workflow on. Now the team receives a clear list of products that may need a promotion, bundle, or clearance push.